welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Deepak Kumar arrested for raping and killing a 4-year-old girl. Post-mortem report reveals rape before murder. Her dead body was dumped in a lift pit. Cabinet cancels post created by the earlier government before Code of Conduct came into force. Decides to review the recruitment, redo the whole process. Jitendra Deshprabhu alleges involvement of Congress MLA in Raymond's withdrawal from Kuttadi bypoll, says he was offered 2 crore rupees. Petrol prices to increase by 6.28 rupees per litre in Goa. Steepest hike ever, petrol to be 61 rupees per litre. Hike following pressure by oil companies. And BCCI not bothered about Goa Cricket Association's dispute till Narvekar and new managing committee complained to BCCI, says former President Shashank Manohar. Never heard of any TV stadium, says Manohar. Now the news in detail. Kepe police succeeded in arresting 21-year-old Deepak Kumar for raping and murdering 4-year-old girl at a construction site at Zogla Modi in Kepe. Post-mortem report of the victim girl revealed that she was raped before he slit her throat. Dead body of the victim girl was dumped in a lift pit by covering her face in a plastic bag.
4-year-old minor girl Seema Khan was raped and murdered by 21-year-old Deepak Kumar Rai, native of Bihar, on Sunday while she was out to play. The body of the victim girl was later dumped in a lift pit at the construction site. Investigation has revealed that he raped her before killing her brutally.
2:30 बजे की घटना है। 2:30 बजे से बच्ची गायब थी। कुछ 5 बजे के आसपास कंप्लेन किया गया है। पहले तो वो लोग थोड़ा चिल्लाए कि इतना ले तुम बच्चे लोगों को कैसा रखते हो, सही से रख नहीं पाते हो। उसके बाद कंप्लेन लिया उन लोगों ने 8 बजे। मैं पूना में था, मैं उसका पिताजी हूँ। मैं पूना में था, मुझे 8:15 बजे फ़ोन किया मेरे ससुर ने, तो मैं वहाँ से 9 बजे की बस पकड़ के आया इधर सुबह में दूसरे दिन।
The accused was working at the construction site. He has confessed to the cold-blooded murder.
Now after the post-mortem examination, we had it out, but now it is confirmed that there was a sexual assault also. So we are adding that section, and the sections under Children Act have already been attracted to this crime. And late in the evening yesterday, we arrested the accused who has done this heinous offence. And the accused has confessed about his crime. He is in our custody now, and we have referred him for medical examination today.
What's your name? His name?
His name is Deepak Rai. He is originally from Bihar. He was working at a construction site as an helper to the masons, as a labor. And incidentally, he yesterday also confirmed that he had worked at this particular site where he had dumped the dead body for about 10 to 15 days.
Police could track the accused within few hours. This brutal murder of an innocent girl has shocked the whole Kepe Taluka. Our reporters Mayur Naik and Savio Dice.
BJP government has cancelled LDC and patient attendance posts created by the Congress-led government pre-assembly poll. The state cabinet has also decided to review the recent recruitments. Government has also decided to hold re-examinations for 9 junior scale posts recommended by GPSC. Government has also re-accepted the Pense Commission report on the decade-old ODI ticket scam. CM briefed media on the cabinet decisions after a meet on Wednesday.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar held a cabinet meet on Wednesday. He informed that the recent recruitments by the Congress-led government will be reviewed.
बहुतेक जाग्यार गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब जे आसा 23 तारखेक 22 तारखेक दिल्या पळय they are all frauds. So they have all been cancelled. So all LDCs posts have been cancelled and is being filled by PETs. All patient attendant posts have been cancelled, whereas all posts up to nurse have been directed to be re-advertised and filled in. येतल्यो साधारण जुनाच्या पहिल्या का दुसऱ्या आठवड्यात सगळ्यो एडवर्टायज येवपाक सुरू जातल्यो. नेक्स्ट वन इज junior scale post of Goa Civil Service. 9 हांकां सिलेक्ट गोवा सिव्हिल सर्विसान केल्लें आनी lot of complaints were received for irregularities, for question mark. So cabinet has taken decision to ask them to do the full exam again for these 9 posts plus around 20-25 posts which will be created additionally.
Government's draft policy on roadside religious structures has been kept open for public till June 30th. Government has also raised honorarium for chairpersons and councillors.
Supreme Court had given one judgment in which they said that you are required to take away all the roadside religious structure. I have got that list ready. List was not done by my government. जी त्रास दिता ती काडची म्हणल्या सुप्रीम कोर्टान. सो हांव तातूंत कांयच न वता हांवें एक सिंपल केला. हो पॉलिसी जी आहा पळय ती 30 जून पर्यंत आमी पब्लिकाक वी आर थ्रोईंग इट ओपन टू पब्लीक फॉर गिवींग देयर सजेशन बिफोर वी फायनलायज इट. एक गजाल हांव सांगता, आफ्टर एवरीथींग इज फायनलायज, आफ्टर टेकिंग ऑल प्रिकॉशन्स, I will implement it without hesitation.
A reporter in Panji, Laukik Chilkar, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Congress spokesperson Jitendra Deshprabhu has alleged involvement of a Congress MLA in Raymond Disa withdrawal episode. Deshprabhu has also claimed that an industrialist offered 2 crore rupees to Raymond for withdrawal.
There was also the personal secretary of one of the Congress MLAs waiting for him to assist him to withdraw. About that time, he tendered his withdrawal with the help of one of the Congress MLAs.
Deshprabhu further claimed that Raymond would use this money to take over as Sarpanch.
That the BJP hierarchy had provided such a meeting for an assurance for a large sum of money to be paid to Mr. Disa. Until 11 o'clock, he was sitting in that office for this assurance. We believe that a value of approximately 2 crore rupees was assured because he was promised the position of the Sarpanch of the richest Panchayat of the state of Goa, which is the Sankwal Panchayat. And with the money this man has received from from the industrialist, as I have said it, he is using that money to buy 4 panchayats of the Kelosin section of the panchayat. For him to be made the Sarpanch so that he can legalize all his illegal activities, including that of the dry dock. We accuse the Bharatiya Janata Party government for using the power and the money that they have to bring about this decadence. And therefore it becomes pertinent to note that every action of Manohar Parrikar will be watched and the Congress will watch it.
A reporter in Panji, Laukik Chilkar, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
New rates of petrol prices have hit the common man badly. In Goa, petrol prices will rise by 6.28 rupees per litre. Petrol prices in Goa would be 61 rupees per litre. Presently, diesel prices are static. The reason behind the rise in petrol is pressure by the oil companies and devaluation of rupee. Have a look.
About the last 3-4 months, for which we have already incurred the under recoveries, and as of now the oil PSUs are saying that if we translate on a 56 rupees indexation at a price that when dollar is priced at 56 rupees, Akash, they are saying that the real if we convert it to the real under recoveries that will be taking place at this point in time, assuming this price hike would not have happened, is approximately 10 rupees 50 paise. So which means that even after a 7 rupees 50 paise increase in petrol prices, the oil PSUs might very well come back tomorrow and say that they are still incurring an under recovery of 3 rupees or so.
Bureau Report,
Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.